Alright. Welcome to the WpZon Amazon Store Builder Niche Site Domination. Let me show you exactly what I got going on here for you, okay? This is the actual software you'll be getting, so let me show you how it all works. I'm going to start it out on a brand new WordPress install. I'll show you the site right now before we start. Here it is. It's called WpZon.com. Normal WordPress installs. This is the theme that is automatically on the site when you install WordPress. That's what we're going to be working with. So all you have to do, it's real simple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs. Start out in the first tab. You're going to choose the theme file, which you're also going to get the theme when you buy the software. So we're going to navigate to the theme, just like that. If you have a logo, these are the optimal dimensions. It can be up to 250 up to 300 will work fine, but I usually stay around this size right here. So we're going to choose the logo file, which I already have a logo done up for this site. Alright, here it is. And we're going to go to the tools. You're going to enter your WordPress info. A little box is going to pop up. Popped up off screen. Let me drag it over here for you. This little box is going to pop up. And then we're just going to put in the WordPress URL with the full path to the WordPress login. So standard is whatever your domain is, /wp-admin. And then your WordPress username, and then your password, and then hit OK. You're just going to go down through the line really and fill all these out. Then you're going to want to just load in whatever you want to call this project. I'm obviously going to call it by WeGames, and then you're going to hit Save Project. So that's going to save all that information for later use, right? Great. So these are already chosen. All you got to do is come up here, click Run, and it's going to automatically go to your site, log you in, install the theme. It's going to install, I believe it comes standard. I have it set up with about 10 plugins. The cool thing is you can add as many plugins as you want. It draws from one folder, so however many plugins are in that folder, it will install and activate every single one of them. So if there's 50 of them in there, it'll activate 50. If there's 2 in there, it'll install and activate just the 2. Okay, so the theme's already done. And it's also going to go to the theme and make some minor adjustments and get it all set up and ready to post products on. So right now it's going through and installing each one of the plugins and activating each one. So I'll just let that go for just a second and let you watch that, and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're back. And when it's finished, it's going to say success theme and plugins have been installed. I think that was about less than 5 minutes, and it installed all these plugins, right? So what you're going to want to do here, the way this works, is all the products are based on categories. So whatever category, you can scrape products and put them into each category that you want. So right here I'm just going to come up with a couple categories quick, and it's going to go back to your site right here, and it's going to automatically set up all those categories for you. Usually only takes about a minute to go through all of them. So you can watch it and see it's going through and posting each one. Watch this for just a minute, and then we'll move on to the next tab. Okay, and we're done, and you can see that all of the categories have been posted right here. And moving right along to the next tab. This is where we're going to scrape products. So just think of the category you want to put those products into, and then we're going to scrape products that are appropriate for that category. So we'll look for Wii racing games. Start on page 1. Don't put anything there. Hit run. And what this is going to do is go to Amazon, log into your Amazon account, and it's going to start collecting products to come back and post onto your website. So what it's going to do is log into your Amazon account and start pulling the products for that keyword. So I'm just going to let it run for a minute, and then I'm going to pause the video because it takes about 5 minutes or so to scrape a whole page, so I'm not going to make you watch the whole entire thing. I'll let it do a couple, and then I will pause it and come back after it's completed. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, and we're back. And all products have been scraped. Okay, so you see the products right here. That's how many were scraped. All you gotta do, I think that was about 5 or 6 minutes. Go to add products. Then you are just gonna make up a folder name. Click a category that you want these products to go into, which would be the racing games, and click run. And it's just going to navigate back to your site, and it's going to start automatically posting all of these products for you. It's going to post the image, it's going to post the title, it's going to post the description, all with the click of a button. As you can see, it's going through. It's going to make the first one. It's going to loop through all of those products one at a time, and it's going to post each one on your website. And again, I'm not going to make you sit and watch this do the whole thing, because it does take, depending on your computer speed, it's going to be somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes or so to post all these products, maybe less, depending on your speed, once again, your internet connection, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to let it post 1 or 2 of these, and then I'm going to pause it and come back when it's finished up, okay? Okay, so when it's completed, it's going to come up and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder that you just created, which you do, so you're going to click yes, and then it's going to say all products have been posted, which you say, okay, sounds good. So in the featured area, you're basically going to click a star rating. We'll say 4.5 stars. You're going to click run. It's going to navigate to your site, and then it's going to have you choose a product that you want to feature. Choose a post you want to feature and click on it. We're going to say OK, and let's see what we want to feature here. How about Cars 2, the video game? So you click that. It's automatically going to set it up to be featured. Featured product posted. And we're just going to do it again real quick. We're going to do a 5-star product. If you want to use a feature video, it's going to use this image right here in the featured area. If you want to use a video instead, all you have to do is click use feature video, and then you click in a keyword, and it's going to go find you a video to post. So we're going to do a review of featured for Mario Kart. Going to click run. And then the software is going to go to YouTube, and it's going to search that keyword and randomly select a video to post into the featured area. Okay, just like that. It's adding it in, and you can sit back and watch it work. Now it's going to navigate back to your site, and it's going to have you do the same thing. Choose a product and click on it. So we're just going to find the Mario Kart. Here we go. Click on it. And it's going to go ahead and embed that video right in there for you. Alright, so now we're going to check out what it looks like after we have set up the featured area. Let's refresh this page real quick. And here's what the featured area looks like, right? It'll scroll through those little featured pictures there. And here are all the products that it added to the page. So let's finish it up, okay? So here's what we got so far. Let's go back to the software. We're going to set up the Amazon ads. And all you have to do here is click on this tab and then just hit run. The only thing you need to have in is up here in the tools, just your Amazon login information, and that's it. It's going to go to Amazon, it's going to log you in. You have to be signed up for with an affiliate program with Amazon in order, obviously, to use the Amazon affiliate banners. But as long as you're set up as an associate, it's going to go ahead and come in here, pick out some banners for you, scrape them off of Amazon, come back to your website, and it's going to post them all. So now it's going to go back to your site, and then it's going to come up and say move the text widget to the header ad area, then hit run. That's it. Now move another text widget to the text widget area and do the same exact thing. Close this one first, open that up, same exact process, open it up, hit run. It's going to post another banner there. Main sidebar, minimize that, go to the main sidebar, drag in another text block, hit run. All ads have been posted. Okay. So now, the last step is setting up your AdSense ads. So you just click on the AdSense tab, and then you're just going to give a random name to each one of these ads. I am just going to call mine by WeGames1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you've done that, click run, and again, your information needs to be up here in the AdSense area in order for this to work. It's going to log you into your Google AdSense account. You do have to have an AdSense account, obviously, to use this module. So it's going to log you into your AdSense account, and then it's going to make all of these ads for you. And similar to the last little demo in the tab with the Amazon banners, it's basically going to do the same thing. You're going to drag the text widgets in there, and it's automatically going to post these up on your site for you. All you need to enter in is your AdSense username and password, Amazon username and password, and your WordPress site info. That's it. What you see is what you get. You see it, it's built almost 20 products in less than 30 minutes. So I'll let this do its thing. And this pop-up came up over here. Drag a text block to the text widget area and hit run. So here's the text widget area. So I'll just drag this here. It can either go above or below it. Doesn't really matter. Click run. Drag a text widget to the list building / add widget area and hit run. Make sure you always close these. Single post ad area, which is right here. Narrow sidebar 1. And then narrow sidebar 2. Main sidebar, and I believe that is the last one. all AdSense ads are posted. So that's it, completely done. We went through all of the tabs. It did run a little bit slower than normal because I have a couple other things open, but let's check out what we got. We'll do a little refresh here. Oh, I have the ad block on. Let me change. Alright, so this is what we have. Usually takes a little while for the AdSense ads to show up, but the Amazon banners show up right away. Got your featured slider with the video right there. A couple other products we did. I believe this holds 5 or 6 products. And there will be Amazon ads right there. Or I mean AdSense. Amazon ads right here. These AdSense ads right here that have not shown up yet. And this is basically what you're looking at. But let me show you the coolest part about the software, right? So we did all this in about 30 minutes, okay? So you have a whole entire website up with a logo on it, the theme installed, 20 plus plugins, Amazon ads, AdSense ads, and 16 products in less than 30 minutes. And here comes the beauty of this software. You don't have to run this on just one site at a time. All you have to do is open up another copy, right? So here we go. Once you have your site in there and it's saved, all you have to do is load it up. Go to load. That's going to bring up a window with all of your saved projects. And you're going to scroll through and you're going to load them up. Then we're even going to open up another one and load up a completely different website. So we're going to be working on 3 websites at the same time. So we're going to go to Scrape Products for this healthcare supplies website. We're going to search for diet pills. Start on page 5. And we're going to let that one go to the races. We're going to come to this one. Same thing. Going to go to Scrape Products. Then we're going to search for health bugs. Start on page 7 and run. Then we're going to do one more. Start on page 3 and run. So as you can see, you can run it literally as many times as your computer will keep up with. So I found 3 or 4 at a time works good for me. But like I said, you just run through the whole thing. You can see they're all working. We're up to 8 products on this. And they're all kind of doing their thing. So you can just sit and wait for it to get done. It's about 10 minutes. And then you'll have not only 16 products on one page, you'll have products on all 3 sites. So that's it. That's what the software does. That's a quick run through as fast as I could. And this is basically what it is. I know it's going to help you out if you're interested at all at selling Amazon affiliate products, building Amazon niche sites, flipping websites, ranking Amazon stores, and making money from Google AdSense, Amazon affiliate in any way, shape, or form. this is highly going to benefit you. Again, I'm only doing very limited copies of this thing, so if you're interested, I definitely jump on it before it's taken down, and I hope to talk to you inside the members area.